So, girls, this is Module 9 of Technology Exploration Mechanisms. This is definitely the easiest module of the term because there is no maths involved. That means there are no formulae to learn. Um, I hope this revision will be helpful for your exam. So, what is the difference between a simple machine and a mechanism? A simple machine is a single mechanical device, whereas a mechanism is an assembly of moving components. Simple machine is one, there's only one mechanical device. Mechanism is a combination of more than one mechanical components. What are some examples of mechanisms? You have cam and follower, chain and sprocket. This is in your bicycle. Gears in a clock or in a watch, and so on. In this module, we study about the cam and follower. A cam and follower is a mechanism which changes rotary motion into reciprocating motion. You must remember this. So rotary means circular. When I rotate something, reciprocating means up and down, or it's also called oscillating. So, what is a cam? A cam is a wheel that rotates around a shaft. So, look in this diagram. This is a cam. This will be rotated, and this follower, this is called the follower, will move up and down, or it will reciprocate. It converts the rotary movement of the cam into reciprocating or oscillating movement of the follower. You must learn this. The cam is always the input. So what will I move in the mechanism? I will move the cam, and the output will be the follower is moving up and down, or reciprocating, or oscillating. Cam is the input and the follower is the driven component. So let's look at this. Look at this diagram. So imagine you are moving this cam. Try to remember the practical exam we did. So when the cam is rotating, what did we notice? The follower was moving up and down. So till this point, till the circular point, it's not moving. Please notice. Look at the position of the follower. It's not moving. It's not moving. Now, as it reaches the pointed end, it goes up and then comes down. And then it stays the same from here all the way to there. Where are cams and followers used? They are used in many places. For example, piston-type car engines for opening and closing of valves. Also inside toys, clocks, and sewing machines. What are cam types? Here are the following cam types. They can be circular, pear-shaped, or irregular. Which of these cams you use depends on how you want to control the time and the degree of movement of the follower. For example, we saw the pear-shaped cam. When the follower is at the pointed end, it moves up. And then as it leaves the pointed end, it will come down. Then it stays the same for around half of the cycle. This is a heart-shaped cam. This is a circular cam, and this is a drop cam. How do they work? In an eccentric circular cam, the follower will move smoothly up and down. In a drop cam, the follower drops quickly and rises to a steady position. In a pear-shaped cam, the follower rises, then falls during part of the cycle. So here, this is your eccentric cam. You should memorize the diagram. This is the cam. This is the rotating shaft. This is the follower. Okay. The eccentric cam is circular, but the shaft is not in the center. You see, it's off center. This will give a smooth rise and fall. So it will be very smooth how the follower will rise and fall. And also notice it says it never pauses to dwell. What does dwell mean? Dwell means the follower is never stationary. It's never at rest. It's constantly moving. In a pear-shaped cam, let's look at the pear-shaped cam. Again, remember, this is the cam, rotating shaft, follower. So what happens? For part of the cycle, the follower is steady. It doesn't move. It will not move. It's at rest. And for part of the cycle, when it reaches the pointed end of the cam, it rises and then it drops. That's what it says here. Half of the cycle, follower will dwell. What does dwell mean? Dwell means it will stay at rest. It will not move. Then, as the pointed part of the cam approaches, the follower rises and then it falls. This is a drop cam. So you've got the cam, you've got the rotating shaft, this is a roller, slide, and the follower. Now this is very interesting. What happens? The follower will dwell for most of the cycle. Why will it be at rest? Because from here all the way to there, it's the same. It's like a circle. So it will not move. And then as it comes to this part, it will suddenly fall. And then as it comes back here, it will rise. So it will suddenly fall and then rises again. That's all in this chapter. Let's go through it again. So you should know some examples of cam and followers. You should know the difference between simple machine and mechanism. You should know that a cam changes rotary motion into reciprocating motion. What is a cam? What is a follower? Cam is the input, follower is the driven component. You should know some applications of cam and follower. You should know the different types of cams and you should know how they move. Yeah, that's all in this chapter. Thank you.